With Ukraine relying heavily on drone surveillance to determine where to fire, either using drones or artillery, giving Russian troops very little warning before their position comes under intense fire, seen with a Russian artillery position having a fire take place due to an attack, or a Russian air defense with an S-60 anti-aircraft gun getting attacked with cluster artillery out of nowhere, which is a result of Ukraine's drone surveillance and precision artillery system hitting with great accuracy from the first round, resulting in a lot more destroyed Russian equipment, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.